How's it going, everybody? Midwestern TV here. Going to be doing an oil change on a 2007 Ford Focus SES. Just a little 2-liter. Problem is we got a rounded off oil pan bolt, so came at it with everything but the extractor set. Tried vice grips, tried socket, no luck. See if we can get her done today, boys. Everybody can see what I'm seeing. Here's the rounded off drain plug. See if we can get it out. Alright guys, so after trying and trying, readjusting and trying some more, we got her off. This is how bad she is. So I got the new drain plug ready to go. Oil filter. Show you guys what I'm working with. So the drain plug was. It's on that. Finish. Oil filter out. Fresh oil back in there. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, with the new drain plug installed, I want to stress, do not tighten it too tight, because that's what my goddamn problem was this time. Somebody over tightened that sumbitch. Ridiculous. Anywho, get the fresh oil in her, and that's about it. Alright, so we got the old oil filter off. The new one going on. Put a little oil around the ring, the gasket. Some people put some oil in it. Whatever your preference. Snug that up too, but not too tight. And add the oil. We're done. Alright, so now we're back up top. We're just going to add our oil. This is a 2-liter. So she takes 4 quarts of oil. 2.3 takes a little more than that. Like I said, this is a 2-liter though. Once we're done here, we'll check the oil, make sure the level's good. And that'll be all she wrote, boys. The last thing to do is check the oil level. See if she's good. And she is. So I just figured I'd show you right quick what I used to get that stripped or rounded head bolt out. Just an Irwin extractor socket set. Just put that on there, and that just eats right into the socket that's stuck. And once that gets stuck on there so well, it just gives it enough leverage to get that other that bolt out. And that'll be all she wrote, boys. Thanks for watching.